Hi, my name is Nashwan Kasim, and today I'm going to do a tutorial. It's going to be on math, long division, fraction. Long division is going to be fraction today. Okay, this problem that I'm gonna do today, I saw it on my friend test, and they gave him this problem, so I said this is a good example to do a tutorial. So let's set up the equation. The problem is 3x cubed plus x second power minus 2x minus 4. We divided by 2x squared minus 3. Good. So after we set up the problem, now we gotta... Okay, if we look here, 3. Here is 2. There is no number you multiply it by 2 to give you 3 whatsoever. The only number that give us 3 is a fraction. If we just put the x and then to x cube and then you're gonna continue the same exact things, you're gonna add more numbers because the 3 is going to be 3 to the x, and then it's gonna keep continue. We're gonna have like a big numbers in here. So the only things we can do here is a fraction. So what's the number that we multiply by 2 is give us 3. The number will be, it's 3 over 2. Because I tried it before, so I know the numbers by heart. So, but let's do it here to show you guys how I did it. We have 2x squared multiplied by 3 over 2x. So the first step we gotta do, add 1. 2 times 3 is what? 6. 1 times 2 is 2. X squared times x is x cubed. And on the 2 we simplify it, is 2 to the 1 and 6 to the 3. So we ended up 3x cubed. That's the number I'm looking here. So 3 over 2x, sorry, no. Okay, 3 over x is giving us 3x cubed minus, here there is no x, here is only one x, so we put it down here. Let's put a 0 here, no value. And let's do this here. If we add a 1 here in the bottom, 3 times 3 is 9, negative 9. 1 times 2 is 2, and the x. As we know that division, when we first get the value after we multiply, we have to subtract. And when we do that, we have to change the sign. This is the rules of the division. This is positive, we change it to negative. This is negative, we change it to positive. This has no value, 0, it's nothing in here. Just like nothing. So that one is going to be 0, 0, and we just get the x squared down. Okay, we have here 2x minus 9 over 2. let's do it here. 2x minus 9 over 2x. Okay, to do subtract on fraction, you know, the first step we're supposed to take the common denominator. The denominator has to be the same. So add 1, common denominator is 2, 2 divided by 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, so that's 4x minus 2 divided by 2 is 1, 1 times 9 is 9, 9 over 2, right. Oh, sorry, the negative is a 2, not the x, not the 9. The 9 is positive. The 9 was positive. If we see the problem here, we change it from negative to positive. So yeah, that's my mistake. Okay, here is right here. Okay, negative 4 plus 9, you know, negative by positive is negative, so the big number is positive, so because it's positive, the result has to be positive, so it's going to be 5 over 2 x. It's going to be positive number 5 over 2x minus 4. The 4 is this one right here. I just took it down. So because the first number is positive, here is positive also. Now we gotta get rid of that 2. And to get rid of it, we have to take the half. And divided by half. Multiply by half. So if we add 1 in the denominator, 2 times 1 is 2, right? 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. So if we simplify, divide 2 over 2 is equal 1. So that's it. The 2 is gone, so we ended up on x squared plus negative, because this is positive, negative. We do the same thing as we did the other time, but this time I'm not gonna put it under this because these numbers doesn't have an x. It's gonna be straight numbers, real number. Okay, so I'm gonna put it right here under the 4. Under the 4. So if we do the same thing, negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, now we change the sign. This positive change to negative, this negative change it to positive. So here is 0. Get the 5 over 2x in the bottom. And let's do this fast. We have negative 4 plus 3 over 2. Add 1 to the common denominator. 2 times 4 is negative 8. Negative 8 over 2 plus 2 times 2 is 3. 3 over 2. So minus 3 plus minus 8 plus 3, the big number is the big number is negative, so the result has to be negative. It's going to be negative 5 over 2. So here is going to be negative 5 over 2. And if we look here is x squared, so we cannot go farther than that because there is no x squared in here. It's only a x, and there is no number. You multiply it by the x, it give you, x squared give you x. So that's it. This is the last step right here. And thank you so much for watching. If I made it easy, please subscribe my video, and have a beautiful day, and I hope you learned something, and hopefully I'm gonna upload more videos on math. Thank you so much. Bye.